Hello, it's me again. For another stream, we're gonna continue the game inspired by Secret of Mana on Godot. You're all welcome to join me live again tonight. And we're gonna start this right now. Pooh-yah. So tonight we're gonna do we're gonna continue the item swap system. So it's progressing well. Yesterday we did a lot, and now we're gonna continue today. Yeah, I'm gonna do some coding as well to script all this together, but it's going somewhere. I'm pretty happy with the result for now. It's exactly like in Secret of Mana, actually, the item swaps and stuff. So yeah, it's good. It's really good, actually. Okay. All right, let's begin with. So I was doing the other sword animation. I was doing that when I left yesterday, so I'm gonna do the same. The broadsword has the sprite frame. Well, I didn't start it. Oh, I didn't start it actually. So I can actually start it. Because if I move here, so I can do quick load, broadsword. There we go. Yeah, I didn't start it. Alright, I can do it. No, let's do. So attack one down. Let's begin. Attack one down. Alright, player. Sprite. New sword. Tier 1. Okay. And here we go. Front attack one. Wow, my editor just crashed. Nice. Let's try again. Not sure why. We did some coding. We fixed a couple things yesterday too. We fixed like the new animation with the new sword. The base sword is working. So that's pretty good. Alright, let's try again because it crashed. Maybe I should remove a couple things. I mean, there's nothing really I can remove. Broadsword. Alright, let me try again. So load. Broadsword. Here we go. So attack one down. Let's see if it's gonna work this time. Player. Script. Sprite. New tier 1. Attack one down. Okay, this time it's working. Thank you. Here we go. That's the first one. Perfect. Attack one left. There we go. Attack one up. Way is back. Wait, I didn't do back? Ready? I didn't do the back one? Oopsie. That's a problem. 1 second. Let me double check. Oh no, I think I didn't do the back one. Well, I didn't do the back one, it's so sad. Really? Really? I did the armor, the left, everything is there. I didn't do the back one. No shot. Oops, guys, I have to go to SmackStudio a little bit. It's gonna lag out, but... Yeah, I need to copy the back one. My bad. For the new sword. God damn it. I was not in the plan. Piss me off. I'm gonna have to do some animation. It's gonna be quick actually. It's just the back I need. The back sword. It's gonna take like 15 minutes. I think my game have too much zoom out sometimes. It's too much zoom out. The camera is too much zoom out. That's what I think. But come on. Oh my god, Assassin's Creed Shadow, you're kidding me. The worst game ever. The worst game ever. The black screen, we love it so much. It might lag for 15 minutes, so sorry about that. So, brown hero, backsword. Do I have... No, I don't. Okay. Okay. So we have to delete. Well, we got to delete everything first. Pretty. Can you guys see this? Or it's very laggy? No, it's good? Okay. Okay. Almost there. Okay. 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 Preview. Okay. Good. New. Alright. So it's done. Here we go. This is back, right? Yeah. I need the attack. I want to see. Oh, it's supposed to be. Yeah. It's good. Okay. Alright, let's start this. So melee sword, tier 1. Yeah. So it's gonna be this. Back. Idle. Okay, this is what? Walk. So walk. Run. Yo, Jose, thank you for the like again. Thank you to be here again tonight. Attack 1. Attack 2. Attack 2. Where's this one? Get it. Back. Get it. Okay. What is this? This is charge. Charge idle? I think it's charge idle. Okay, so charge, hold, idle. What is this then? Walk. So charge, hold, walk. Okay. This is grab. Grab. This is grab idle. Grab idle. And this is grab walking. Grab, walk. Alright, that's it. That's it, boys. Done. Done. Alright, let's open Godot. Easy, huh? I did that in 5 minutes. My leg. A better position for this is gonna be better. Yes. I hate this. 1 second. I have something open that take everything. The video there. It's almost nothing, man. I think it's gonna be better like this. Okay, now we back. So we need more frame. So open in file manager. Okay, good. Now let's get the frame. So in base tier 1. We need all the back attack. That's it. There we go. Boom. Okay. So that should work. Back to Godot, importing. Alright, so we should have it now. Check. Word. And we need the back one. So player, sprite, T1 brown hero sword, and boom, we have it. All right, attack 1. Here we go. 8 by 8. Here we go, guys. We have it. Attack 2 down. Front attack 2. 8 by 8. Attack 2 left. Attack 2 left. Nice. Attack 2 up. Back attack 2. Excellent. Good. Charge attack down. This is the word wow. Okay. Charge attack left. This is word wow still. Charge attack up. Still word wow. Charge attack up. No, we're well. Yeah, we're well here. There you go. Okay. Charge 1 down. Charge 1 down. So front. Charge hold. There you go. Charge 1 left. Charge hold. Okay. Charge 1 up. So back, charge hold. Charge wall down. So front, charge all walk. Nice. Charge walk left. Charge old walk left. There we go. Charge walk up. Charge walk. Good. Idle down. So front idle. Classic. Classic. Idle left. Classic. Idle up. Okay. Run down. Okay. Run left. Run left. Run up. Back run. I got it. Stun down. So get it front. Stun left. Get it left. And stun up. Get it. Good. Victory. Victory. Whoa, that's a lot of frame. Victory left. And victory up. Victory. Nice. Okay, walk down. Okay. Walk left. Walk. Okay. Walk up. Okay. Carry down. This is... Carry is actually... It's idle. So it's idle grab. So front, grab all idle. There we go. Carry left. So grab all idle. Carry up. Carry all idle. No. Grab idle back. Okay. Carry wall down. So front, grab all walk. Carry walk left. No, it's not this one, right? Cancel. Carry walk left, so grab all walk. Yeah, nice one. Carry walk up, so back, grab walk. There we go. And the good news is the code I made yesterday is working for all of this. Dead. Lift down. This is grab front, actually. Lift left. Grab left. And the last one coming. Lift up. Grab up. Here we go. We have it. Finally. Whew. Alright. Save all. Damn, I was long. I mean, it's not that long, you know. I mean, it was long, but it's not that long. Okay. So, we have it. Now, we're gonna turn this invisible. So, how this gonna work? How this gonna work? We're gonna turn this invisible first. Let's see if we see something in game. I'm curious. Let's see. Okay. So I'm curious to see. Yeah, we don't see the sword at all. Yeah, we don't see the sword. It's working good. Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna try is the code. The code. So the script. All right. Let me check something.
Update that. All right, so let's make it so that these sprite sheets will keep in sync with the player. And what we're going to do is we're going to set up a few variables.
New
sprite
sprite
sheet. Our
sheet.
sprites, and then we're only going to need to do basically one or two functions. One functions that we and some, we're going to set up to reference it, but go ahead and apply this script to our node and in our script sprite 2D, and we're going to use this to help control those. Okay, so let's go to our player folder, and in our scripts folder we can just create a new script, and I'll call this player sprite. And let's go ahead and apply this script to our node and open it up. Now, we don't necessarily need to give this a class name right now. I have no need to reference it, but I do want to change this extends to sprite2D. And what we're going to do is we're going to set up a few variables. We're going to track our sprites, and then we're only going to need to do basically one or two functions.
Okay, let me try to copy his thing, but it's not going to be the same thing, actually. Gonna be different. Okay, so it's gonna be different a little bit the way I want to make this, because I don't want to use the frame. I want to use the sprite sheet switch, you know. So I'm gonna save this.
One functions that we and some things that we do in the process frame. And so let's begin. I want to add, the first thing I want to do is add a constant.
I don't need the weapon below and stuff. This is I don't need this to, I mean, yeah.
This is going to be called frame count. Now this variable or this value is an integer.
Let's see what he's talking about.
Or to tell us how many frames there are in our sprite. So because we split our sprite in half, and there's 128 frames for the first, you know, for the below sprite.
No, I don't need that. I don't need that. And I don't need this. You know. Actually, I don't need the delta at all. So, but I need the item switch. So you see, it's switching the texture here. Ah. Yeah, but this is the texture in the sprite. This is not what I want. You know. Let me check how he's doing this and we'll see.
For the above, this number is just going to help us be able to do the math a little bit. And then let's get some
I don't need this
to our
thing
sprites here. So drag those in. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the sprite 2D underscore on these. So it's just weapon below and weapon above, just to simplify those names. It doesn't give us a warning that from our inventory. So we'll use that later as well. This is actually every time the process runs. This is a sprite 2D, the weapon below the frame we've got, and everything's looking pretty good. Okay, so that's a real simple way. Might not work for you, but even if now that we have our weapons,
okay, let's see. The next part is the most important.
We need to be able to work on handling the equipment change.
This
and
thing.
Before we can do that, we need to have a way to get a reference to the textures that are associated with each weapon, because right now we have no way of determining, you know, what sprite sheet to use when we change equipment. And so we need to go into our
Body
items
equipment.
script folder and open the equipable item data. And we're going to need to add an additional variable here.
Okay, 1 second. Equipable item data. Let me check the script. Good item data. So this is where I need to add this. I need to change this actually. Cause it have to be what is called. It doesn't have to be this. It have to be a sprite sheet. So it's gonna be different. What's the name of this? A sprite frame. Sprite frame. See? So sprite texture becomes sprite frame. Okay. So then let's save. Okay. So then, and if I let's continue the video.
So right now we have a type and we have the modifiers. Let's go ahead and export
No.
one
So I need to put the sprite frame on this word. So how? Wait, how this work?
additional variable that we'll call sprite texture. So for this ninja suit, I'm going to come here where it says sprite texture.
Okay, so the sword item. So if I go to my sword, so if I go to my item menu, item. So if I go to broadsword and iron sword, I have a sprite texture here with a sprite frame. Nice. Oh, that's really good, man. Yep. Look at this. That's perfect. So board sword. So every time you swap item, the sprite frame texture change. That's perfect. Okay. Let's see.
And I'm just going to load. And you can see I've got my player underscore
now.
sprite underscore ninja suit. That's the texture I want there. Go ahead and save that. Tunic, I'm going to do the same thing. Now the tunic is going to be using just the player sprite texture.
Okay.
Quick load. What's it called? Just sword. And it does. In the player sprite script, we're going to find our inventory. So we'll go player manager and
Okay, let's
get
see.
the
So you
instance of our
continue with the
inventory
player
and
sprite.
the inventory, if you recall, has this equipment changed signal. And so we'll connect to that.
Okay, so
and
you
we'll just
connect.
use our on equipment changed function that we've already set up below.
Okay, so you connect
So
the
now we just
inventory.
need to code this function, and it's going to be quite simple as well. So let's get a reference to our equipment
Okay.
just to make this a little bit easier. So the equipment is an array of slot data,
Okay.
and this will equal our player manager dot inventory data, and then we
Okay.
have that function to get the equipment slots. It's just called equipment slots,
Okay.
just like that. So that's going to give us all of our equipment. Now, if you remember, our armor is the first element in our equipment slots, and the weapon is the second, so at index 0 and
Okay.
index 1. And so we can use that to our advantage here. Now, rather than trying to determine which piece of equipment changed, because this function is only going to be called when we actually change equipment, so not very often, I'm going to go ahead and just swap the armor and the sword, even if they don't change. So what we can do is we can To swap the armor, we just need to swap the texture on this node because we're looking at our player sprite right now.
Okay.
So we can just say texture equals and then grab the texture from our armor equipment. So that's going to be equipment at index 0.
Okay.
Dot,
So
item
just
data,
this gonna work.
dot sprite underscore texture. Now, if this works, I should be able to run the game
Really?
and swap out for this ninja suit. So when I equip this,
Okay, let me try. So maybe it's gonna work simply like this, or maybe not. Let's see. Let's take a look. It's because he connect the thing. Yeah, it's because he connect everything together. Okay, so I take the sword. And then maybe a crash. No crash. But no swap. Is it the good slot? Yeah, I don't know if it's the good slot actually. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's the armor? By mistake, I don't know. No. Doesn't work. Interesting. There's no error, there's nothing. Alright, let me reload. It's buggy hard. There's no error, there's nothing. Well, it doesn't work, but there's no error, so my code is working, it just doesn't happen. Interesting. So why it doesn't happen? Interesting. But there's no error, so something is happening. It's just I don't see it, I think. So it's player data first. Player, what's the name of it? Well, it's not player data? Player sprite, sorry. It's player sprite. So I said texture equipment, texture equal. Ah, no, it's not texture. No, it's not. It's sprite. What's the name? Sprite frame. No. Cannot assign a value to a constant. Where did he get his reference when you write the code?
so the equipment is an array of element. It is only going to be called when we actually change equipment, so not very often. I'm going to go ahead and just swap the armor and the sword, even if they don't change. So what we can do is to swap the armor, we just need to swap the texture on this node because we're looking at our player sprite right now. So we can just...
Let me try again. Sprite. Frame. It's not there. So what's the difference with texture then? Texture P. Who is this? Okay, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT for this because I don't know what's the reference. Maybe I'm writing this wrong completely. It's a sprite frame. I won't. What's the sprite frame in Godot? How to change a sprite frame in a script. Godot only the sprite frame resource file. Let's see. Oh, animation sprite point sprite frame. Oh, it's a thing? Sprite frame is a thing? Wait a second. Sprite frame. No, there's no, it's not a thing. What is this? Wait a minute, I'm missing something. Oh! Oh, I got it. So you load it first. Ah, okay. So weapon base. And the next one would be weapon sword sword tier 1. Okay, I think I got it. And this is in my player, right? Yep. I got it, I think. Actually, I think I just need the base sword. I don't think I need the other one. Oops. I just need this. 1 second. I didn't write it correctly. Okay. And then sword base. Okay. Animated sprite sword. Okay. And then what you do is, so here, wait a minute. So I got it. So you load it in a local variation new frame equal load and bang. Look at this. Wait, there we go. So you get the weapon. Oh, this is where I want the sword. Okay. So new base sword. Okay, and you get the sword. I think I understand. In my sprite player sprite frame. There we go. Well, that's the base word actually. But let me use the broad sword as an example. Dude, that's insane. Wait, what? Alright, I got it. So I'm gonna call this broadsword. Okay. And then here you do animation sprite sword when new oh no when sprite frame oh yeah. Oh, that's it, pretty much. That's all I have to do. Wait. Oh, I didn't have to do that actually. I don't think. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Look at this. Ah, that makes sense. Okay. All right, let me save. Because I got it from the other one. So if I swap my sword, now he should recognize. Let's try. Okay, let's take a look. Alright, so I have my base word, and now switch. Doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? The code is good. The code is good. Let me recheck correctly. Animated sprite sword is the sword base. Oh, no, it's wrong. Oh, no, actually, it's fine because we can't see nothing with this one. It's bug out. Actually, it's fine. It's the sword base attack. There's something. The code is good. There's no error. Yo, Jason, thank you for the like. Oh, Jason, that'd be... I don't see you often. Thank you for the like, man. Appreciate it. Okay, so my animated 2D sprite is the sword. Okay. And I said sprite frame is the one item, one sprite texture. I'm sure it's 0? Does my equipment sprite texture is 0? That's the big question. Yeah, that's the big question actually. Cause yeah. Item data sprite texture. Let's see item data. Texture 2D. Ah. Oh. Actually, no. Wait a minute. It's item data? Wait a minute. Is it? It's not item data. No, it's equipment data. It's not the same thing. Why do I have item data? Huh?
Got inventory data, and then we have that function to get the equipment slots. It's just called equipment slots, just like that. Okay. Inventory data, and then we do our items texture. So for this ninja suit, I'm going to come here where it says sprite texture, and I'm just going to load.
Equipment item data is not the same thing as item data. What the hell is this? Because what? He recognized the texture? Oh. Oh. Okay, I think I understand what's going on. Okay. It's like a signature ID, actually. Hmm. Hmm. Oh wow, it bug out, huh? And it crash. Okay, it's like a signature ID. I see. Okay, that's why he's using it. Okay, well. So that's why when he see the switch, something happened. Okay. Then alright, then let me try something else. Sprite frame. And the other one is equipment. I'm gonna use it as a texture. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, so he's using it as an ID. That's why. Okay, so texture as sprite frame. So if I go to my item data, Weapon. Word sword. Okay, sprite texture empty. Empty. No, I didn't put anything anyway. Should not work. Well, let's do it correctly. So the iron sword. Quick load. It's base. Weapon sword 1v2. I guess it's this one. Is it this one? No. It's the 64 by 64 need. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Okay. And the sprite frame is the base sword. Okay. For the word sword, quick load. Sword T1 64. And the sprite frame is the sports sword. There we go. Okay, let me try this. Now it's better than the last time. Oh, but there is a connection I need to do, right? Schlau. Wow, that's true. Wait a minute. Wait, so the connection is the image? Okay. Let's see, player sprite. So I have my animation here. So I connect item switch and unconnect. Okay. So it's not sprite texture, is it? No, it's not. It's this here. Item data sprite frame. Right? Because I changed it. How do I... It's because maybe I didn't save. 1 second. What's the name of it? Oh, so it's actually sprite texture. Ah. Wait a minute. Item data point. What? Yeah, but it's equity item data. No. This is strange. Picture. So it should be my sprite frame. Why this not gonna work? Like this? Let me double check now. Equipment item data. No, it's sprite frame. Yeah, sprite frame. Check the sprite frame. Okay. So item data when sprite frame. So it changed the sprite frame for the sprite frame. Link to the how you know this is the I'm wondering how you know this is the good sword. But let's save and try. Let's see. This is a very interesting coding I'm doing here. I never did something like this. Okay. So I have my base word. Swap. Nothing happened. You know, I should put the print screen, like, I'm not sure it's actually working. I don't think it's working correctly. So I asked my sword base to switch to the equipment data 0. I mean, was my sword 0? Who knows? Yeah, my sword was 0. Weapon 0. Sprite frame. Oh. Let's see if it's actually working. I'm curious. Let's do a print screen, because I don't even know if that passed that thing. Print. Equip. Activate. I'm gonna spam this up, but okay, let me try. Let's see. I don't even know if this works. Is this pop now? No. Okay, let me try to swap this word. And then it didn't work. It didn't work. I mean, it didn't work. Let me spam it. I'm not sure about that. Didn't work. Okay, let me spam it and see. Didn't even work. Yeah. There's nothing. Ha! Wow, there's nothing. What? There's nothing happening. So the connection never pop. I mean, seriously? That is wrong. The connection never pop. Are you kidding me, man? Dude. Dude, this is no. What's going on? Connect. Inventory data, equipment change. Piss me off, man. I can see nothing. That's insane. Okay, let me check again. Let me turn down this and this and this. Okay, so equipment, item data, sprite texture and sprite frame. Okay. So if I click in my item, hi Dave, fellow dev. Hello. How are you tonight, Mr. Adal Sam Islam? Hobedat. Yeah, see? So I have texture and frame. Texture and frame. Okay, so this is really good. So why do I fail then? I'm not sure to understand where do I fail. Because it doesn't connect, like... Where? It's in the player script, maybe? Good, and you? I'm good. I'm trying to... I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how this works. So... Let me check the player script. On equipment change. Update damage value. Okay. It's not there. So there is a connection here. So this is the connection. Equipment change connect. On equipment change. Inventory data equipment change. On equipment change. Update damage and defense. Okay. There is my connection. Are you the same guys who made like a D2 remake in the past? Let me tell you a secret. I am. Yes. I am. It's me, God123. I'm making a game on Godot now. Because I like making hack and slash game, I'm addicted. You found me. You find me. So, in general, the trigger doesn't run. That's it. Just doesn't run. Which is weird. Thank you. Yeah, it was something. It was something, yeah, thank you. So it connect equipment change, okay, but it doesn't pop the equipment change. Does that make sense? I don't think this makes sense, but let me try again. Let's see. You're a good dev. Keep going. Thank you. Thank you. I'm doing. Yeah, I'm not the best, you know, but I'm learning a lot. I have some experience with hack and slash for sure. I'm remaking hack and slash. Imagine that. Alright, let's try again. Okay, well, I try. Let's see the result now. It doesn't work. It doesn't work, guys. It's official. It's bug. Jesus Christ. It doesn't work and it bug out. Oh my god, what a good time we have tonight. The connection doesn't work. There's no connection, man. How come the video guys is working? Let's see this.
Player underscore sprite underscore ninja suit. That's the texture I want there. Go ahead and save that. Tunic. I'm going to do the same thing. Now the tunic is going to be in the player sprite script. We're going to find our inventory. So we'll go player manager and get the instance of our inventory data. And the inventory, if you recall, has this equipment changed signal. And so we'll connect.
That doesn't work.
To that. And we'll just data. Use that to our advantage. Sheets need to have, instead of grabbing the item at index 0, we get it at index 1. Then I'm going to copy this, paste it, and this is going to be weapon above.
What connection? I'm trying to understand.
So
I tried to connect a signal to... Look at the video of the guys here. I tried to connect a signal to the equipment swap, but
let's run the game and
doesn't
test
work.
one more time.
Look, he's doing it.
And I don't have a weapon to equip until I get one, I guess. Okay, there we go. We've got the katana. So now if I equip the katana, boom, you can see it updated the sprites for that.
That's so weird. Mine doesn't understand that. So strange.
But there is one more thing I want to do. And there's a bug with the quantity on a null.
Yeah,
an
the
object.
quantity bug. I don't care about this. Extend a sprite 2D. Maybe this is the problem. Because it's not the sprite 2D, right?
Use this to help control the node and open it up. Now, we don't necessarily need to give this a class name right now.
Oh! Wait a minute. I didn't attach it. Oh my god. I got it. I didn't attach it. Wait a minute. Where did he create that sprite? Or when? I missed something. Oh my god. When did he create that? Ah, boy. Okay. A new child node. Sprite 2D. Can I do this? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. How he... Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Most of them are stupid like this. Yeah. I didn't put
Okay,
the
so let's
script actually.
Look at this a sprite. I've done is I've separated this out and I did a... Alright, so let's get into the player. Let's open the player scene and I kind of want to show you something you've probably noticed in my recent...
So he put... Okay. So he put the sprite 2D. Oh. As a child. Oh. Whoa. Okay. Uh-oh. So he put the script there, actually. I'm gonna do the same thing. What's the name of my script again? What's the script name he put there? Player sprite. Player sprite. But I don't think it's gonna change anything because I link my, well, it's gonna change this for sure because it's an extension of animated to the sprite. But I don't think it's gonna change anything. Like maybe, I don't know. I'm not a professional Godot coding guys, okay? But let's see. It crashed. That's good sign, actually. I'm happy it crashed. Finally, we have something. God damn. That's good. It crashed. That's good. That's good. That's good. Good. We have something. We have something going on. Excellent. Finally, we have a crash. That's a good thing. Finally, I have something going on. So it said, okay. So it said, invalid assignation, sprite frame with value type of Bayesian null instance. Invalid assignation of sprite frame. Well, that's good. That means it's actually kind of working. That's pretty good. Okay. Finally, we have a connection. The good news is we have a connection. So we have a connection. Yay. We have a connection. So now we need to make it work. So what is the error again? Node not found. Node not found. Node not found? Huh? Are they on drug? Godot is on drug or? Yo, Godot. Is Godot on drug? Hello? Node not found. Are you kidding me? Wait a minute. Oh, what I did? I changed something? Dude. Yeah, exactly. That's a good news. The crash give info and the other give nothing. So that's why I'm happy. Okay, so let's try again. I fixed something, so let's go. Okay, let's take a look. So this time, are we gonna have a crash? Huh? It's working! The sword have changed! Ah! Victory! Look at this. The sword is different. Dude, it's working. Look! It's working! Look, this is the base sword. And I can swap like this. Boom. And new sword. Wow. With big damage. Oh my god, it worked. It's working very well. Damn. My first item swap worked. Okay, let me try to bug it. So I'm gonna do a skill and switch. It bugged the animation. That's funny. It's swapping, but it's okay. I mean, it's a small thing, but basically it's working. I'm pretty happy. Wow, my first switch is working. Woot. Look, the big sword. How old are you? Well, I have a genetic. I have a good genetic. Okay. Maybe I look like 25 or something, but I'm a 30 something. Okay. That's good, man. I'm 30 something. Dude. This is good, man. And the sword is keeping too. That's very nice. All the animation seems to work. Let's test the animation. Oh, this one worked for sure. 18 damage? Whoa! That's a lot. Because of the skill, I guess. 1 second. Is there another goblin? He's supposed to have another goblin, right? No, there's no other goblin. So all the animation worked correctly? It seems to work. Everything seems to work well. The throw work, right? Yeah. Okay. Everything worked. That's good. An item swap. Woo! No. I'm very old. I'm like a daddy. I have no kids, but I have the age of a daddy. Well, I'm glad it's working. Yeah. Okay. Let's try the armor, I guess. We have the armor. We can swap the armor too. We have an armor and a weapon. Weapon work check. The first, my first item swap coding is working. That's good. So we have an armor too. Look. We have an armor skin to change. That's pretty nice. It's working very well too. What's the damage of just the sword? 11? Oh, it's not bad. Let me try to kill a monster with the boss with this sword. Well, I hope I didn't start the quest. Wait, what? Okay. Let's try something. You working in some company or just dev solo? Just dev solo. I'm not working. I'm working with me. Oh, there's some bug with the sword here. Why? Because I'm moving? Oh, well, look at this. There's a little bug here. The walking is bugging. He switched the sword. Huh? What is this? Hey, that's weird. Look at this. Okay, I think I found a bug. I'm a Sologamedev. The sword switching place when I move. Look at this. What the hell is this? Dude, get out. That's very strange, man. Wait, does that do with my other sword? Ah, this one is working correctly. But this one... no. It's just this frame, actually. That's very weird. There's a little sword problem with the sword. Oh, finally. Here we go. Dude, you're gonna kill me, man. I have no life for the boss. Here we go. How many damage I do? I think I'm gonna one-shot him. Oh. Let's see. I'm getting good for the phase, actually. You're working late? Yeah, Rebecca, I know. Sometime I work late, sometime I work early. I'm gonna kill him. Ouch! Take it, bro. Take it, bro. Alrighty. Okay, let's go. Here we go, bro. I have your stuff. Wow, you found my flute. This is your reward. Here we go. Give me my reward, man. 100 XP. I'm max XP. Okay, so we have one bug actually. It's this sword. This sword animation is wrong. Look at this. What the hell? So why it's flipping? That's so weird. The sword is switching. Look at this. What the hell is this? What is that? We have one bug. Oh no, there's error. 1 second. It's annoying to reload this. At least it's not StarCraft 2. StarCraft 2 take like 10 minutes to load. Old memory. I know, Rebecca. Like when it's my day off. Oh my god, it bugged again. What the hell is going on, man? When in my day off, I stream very early, and when it's I'm working, I stream late. But dude, my computer today, what's going on? But I think I know why. It's because I'm losing a zone. Now it's working. Okay, so what's going on with my my animation? Let's see. So it's sword idle down. Okay. And what about broadsword? Sword idle down. It's the same thing. Okay, so why it's buggy? White bug. Huh? I'm not sure to understand. So why the sword is switching? Oh, it's walk down. Oh. Where is the image? I don't see it. There's nothing. Huh? There's nothing. What? Is it a bug or? There's absolutely nothing. Houston, we have a problem. Let me delete it. Oh no, it's charge. Oh, my bad. So, new sword tier 2. So, charge, what is it? Charge well down. Okay. 8 by 8. Okay. But this is not what working. I'm talking about walking down. The sword is other side. What the hell is this? Are you kidding me? Why the sword is this side? Ah, because it's not the good frame. EGOD, you did an error here. It's not a good frame. Walk down, it's front. Look at this. Here we go. We find another bug. Ta-da! There we go, we fix it. Alright, let me check if it's working. Pooyah. Why did he load this? I mean, there's no item in there. Oh my god. Why did he load this? This one. Okay, so let's try again. So It. Switch. It. Big sword. Nice. There was a delay on the hit, you see? Is that normal? Check again. No, there's no delay. Let me try with a bunch of bushes. Oh no, it's working very well actually. The animation worked too. Everything is working actually. Look, the animation. Oh, that's good. And no more bug. Yeah, no more bug. The running work. Everything worked. Yo, daddy's in the chest. Alright. So my first item swap worked actually. There's an error. What is it? Oh, you found a key outside animation. Yeah, I'm not sure about this. It's undestroy. Oh, is this slime? Oh, ready. This look really good. Yeah, it's going great. My item swap is working. I'm happy. But we need to do the armor. What time is it? Ah, we have time. So the armor. We're gonna need a frame too. I think I can delete this one. We need to change the armor of the guys. Yeah, I have another set of armor. The armor swapping cutting. So what we gonna do? How this gonna work? I need to think. So it's the same thing actually I have to do. I think I can delete this actually. I don't need this anymore. No, wait, I need it because... No, I don't need it because it's save in my res. So I can delete that, right? Pretty sure I can. Let me try. Is it a good thing to delete? I don't think. Delete. Let me try. I'm gonna save. Let's give a shot. So I delete the sword thing. I don't know. You see, it's still working. Oh, that's nice. Perfect. Swap. Small sword. Swap. Big sword. You see? Okay. It's working. Good. Alright. Good. Okay, so now let's do the body. The body part. This was not in Secret of Mana, by the way. The body part. I'm adding this feature. I'm adding a feature to Secret of Mana. Inspired game. There is no body parts switching in that game, but I'm gonna do it. I think it's interesting when your character is having different armor type. It's really hack and slash style, you know. So how are we gonna do this? Do I have to delete the sword base, or it have to be there all the time? Oh no, it have to be there because there's a. So I need. Okay. So what I have to do is to duplicate this and call this armor base. Okay. And then in my animation, I'm gonna load an empty one. The empty version with all the empty animation. And then Legion of Mana had the coolest stuff. They add a new game plus and monster scale up to level 999. They also add cool crafting system, and you could build a robot also do gathering. Yeah, I play Legion of Mana. It was on PlayStation 1 or PlayStation 2, right? It was on PlayStation 1, I think. Wait, Legion of Mana? Are you sure it's the good name? Because I didn't know about that. The level 999. Is it the one of the PlayStation 1, the Legion of Mana? The graphic was very crazy, but the game was me a little bit because they changed from like the game was played different, and it didn't feel like, you know, the game was playing like horizontally all the time and not vertically. Well, kind of, you know, and it changed the feel of the game. I didn't like that part actually. But the graphic was really insane. Oh my gosh. Ah, there was a book in your house. Oh, that's cool, yeah. Yeah, I don't remember that. Yeah, that's very interesting, yeah. That's very interesting. Okay, so I have my empty one. I'm gonna save as, we call this base. Oh, I have base armor. Oh, ready. Okay, let me try to load it. I mean, it's all full of frame. I'm gonna replace it. So I'm gonna load, quick load empty. And I'm gonna save as base armor. Yep. Overwrite. And then if I load, quick load base armor. No. Wait. Wait, that doesn't work. Quick load. Empty. Okay. Quick load. Broadsword. Okay. Quick load. Base armor. But wait. Base armor is base armor. So So that's not what I really need. Actually, I did it. It's a default armor. Okay. So it's not very base armor I need. I need to call this... Well, yes, I need to call this base armor. Well, I'm gonna duplicate this then. And call this armor. Plate mail. Okay. Plate mail armor. I see what's going on. So new quick load empty. And I'm gonna save as. I'm gonna change the name. So plate mail. Plate mail. There we go. And now I need to put the armor there. Okay. So player sprite gold armor. Okay. So attack down 1. Let's try. So front attack 1. Look at this. Whoa. Look at this. Wow. Ooh. Look at this. Hey, you impress? You impress? That's good. Let's continue. Attack 1 left. Wow, look at this. Woo. The gold armor, huh? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm excited for nothing, but... No, that's cool, actually. Attack 2 down. There's animation on the belt too. I work good on this, okay? Let me tell you. Charge 1, attack down. This is worthwhile. Well, charge down. So front charge down. Okay, charge left. Charge all charge, all idle. Charge up. Back, charge all idle. Charge wall down. Charge wall clef. I mean, when you have a frame of one character, it's not really hard to make other character because you have the frame, you have the code on the side, so the rest is just a bunch of copy paste to make it work. So the big part is the coding, the script, and a good model of what you want to do. The rest is just easy, you know, easy mode. So when you have the full item swapping working, you know, you're in good shape. That's what I'm working on. Idle down. Idle left. Idle up. Run down. Run left. Run up. I would be interesting to zoom my game too a little bit more. I think the sprite is beautiful enough to zoom in a little bit more in my game. I think the camera is too far. But yeah, I will probably do this. Stun down. I think a little bit of zoom in will be nice to the game. Stun up. Victory. Victory left. Victory up. Walk down. Walk left. Walk left. Walk up. Walk. Carry down. So this is carry idle. Carry left. Let's see, grab all idle. Carry up. Carry wall down. Oh no, that's not this. Carry walk down. Huh? I made a mistake here. Yep, I made a mistake. I think it's this one, but there's an error. No, it's this one. I didn't write the good name. Carry walk left. Yep. It's just the name was wrong. Carry walk up. Yeah. Dead animation. Dead. That's the worst animation I ever seen. Lift down. Grab front. Lift left. And finally lift up. There we go. Nice. Okay, now we can save. Finally. Alright, so what do we do? Okay. So I got my armor plate mail. So what I'm gonna do, first of all, is go to my item. My item, where is it? Item. So, base armor, sprite, quick load. Armor, base armor, and the sprite frame, base armor. Okay, the plate mail, quick load, 64x, gold armor with quick load, plate mail. Okay. So that's the base. Save. So now we need to swap the number 2 when it change. So in my script, I go to first, let's set not the item data, but the equipment item data. Okay. So the number 2 is armor. So in my player data, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the armor and the base. The base is actually the animated 2D sprite. So yeah. So here my number 2 swap. This is gonna work, guys. Armor number 1. There we go. I think it's gonna work. Save. Woo! Well, I think it's gonna work just like this, actually. I don't think I need any other script. That's so great. Let's start this. That's handsome. Okay, so let's see. Let's grab the sword and the armor. Sword switch. It's working. Big sword. And... wow, it's working. First shot. Look. Look at this. He switched. The design of the guy's switch. Gold armor. Wow. Magic. Awesome. Ah, you impressed? Huh? Wow. It's not really complicated to do, but it's some effort. Every animation seems to work. Everything seems to work. You're gonna get my bush in the face, man. Take it. Yo, you cannot hit me like this. Take it, bro. My gold armor. Wow, look at this. Nice. Well, it's working. Can I bug it? I'm gonna click very fast. It doesn't bug. No, it doesn't bug. Well. So, yeah, that's cool. It's working. Item swap. GG. That's pretty nice. There's a couple bugs in my inventory. I mean, you can move the item correctly. Actually, the moving work. Can I swap item? Ah, it's actually working. Okay, cool. The swapping work and the movement work. Oh. What happened if I do this? Nothing. Oh, nothing happened. They tried to debug in my game. What happened if I do this? It's sad that this doesn't work actually. It's sad that you cannot move to this inventory. But I understand it's because you... Yeah, it's like an equip. I mean, it's no big deal, but... Because you can play with the joystick. I mean, with a controller, so it gives you like a preview. But there is a bug where if you leave the mouse here, it's gonna swap there. You see? If I leave the mouse here, he swap. It's not a big deal, but still, it's annoying. I need to fix that. It's following the mouse. Yeah, I don't know if Michael have figured out this bug. Okay, everyone. So I have my gold hero armor. And yeah. Let me try to zoom in a little bit, can we? Where is the camera system? Player camera. Can we zoom in a little bit? Camera 2D. I don't even remember how you I don't even remember how you zoom in the camera. I don't remember at all. Is it work with the resolution of the game? I think. I think it depends on the resolution of the game. I don't even remember. Okay, so I'm done. I'm done for tonight. So we did great. We did the item swap. It's GG. We did it. Yes. So we can swap item. And there's a nice system where you can, I don't know, I can add different part and it's switching. That's good. That's a big step actually. That's a big step. Okay. I'm done for tonight. We did 3 good nights in a row about the item swap and it's working. I'm kind of happy. There's a couple of bugs I'm gonna fix offline, don't worry. See you in the next stream for, I don't know. We're just gonna continue the game.